In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile manually created bank transactions in Xero. It's a straightforward process, but a crucial one if you want your books to be accurate and up to date. To begin, launch your web browser and search for Xero. Once you see Xero, accounting software for small businesses, go ahead and click on that link. This will take you to the Xero homepage. Once you're on Xero's main page, look to the upper right corner where you will find the Login button. Click on it to access your account. Enter your login credentials, your email and password, and you should find yourself on your dashboard. Now, let's navigate to the business account. Towards the top of your dashboard, you'll see a menu item labeled Business. Click on that. The business menu is your command center for handling financial affairs, offering everything from invoices to transactions. After accessing the business account, move down the list and select Account Transactions. This section specifically handles all the transactions related to your bank accounts, a central hub for getting everything organized. It gives you a comprehensive overview of your bank account activity within Xero. Now, within the Account Transaction screen, identify the specific transaction that you wish to reconcile. Take a moment to review the transaction details. This step is important as it ensures that the transaction aligns perfectly with your actual bank records. When you are confident it all looks correct, click to select that transaction. Next, after selecting the transaction, you need to head over to the More button on the screen. Click on this to reveal a set of additional options. Among these options, you'll find Mark as Reconciled. This feature is pivotal. It lets you confirm that the transaction has been matched up and verified against your bank history. Once you've clicked on Mark as Reconciled, you'll need to confirm this action. You'll see a prompt or a similar interface asking you to confirm reconciliation. Click on Mark as Reconciled again to make it official. This final step seals the deal, moving the transaction from pending to reconciled status in your books. And there you have it. By completing these steps, you're ensuring your financial records are matching up with your actual bank transactions. This harmony between your records and bank accounts means greater accuracy, letting you confidently track your cash flow and make informed business decisions. Remember, reconciling regularly won't just save you time. It'll save you potential accounting headaches down the line. If you ever find a discrepancy, don't ignore it. Resolve it while you're in the reconciliation phase. I hope this guide made the process clearer for you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back soon for more tips on managing your finances in Xero.